What's up YouTube? This is your boy Jose and you got Crazy over here sanding again. We applied a white coat on the previous video and we got this gray one afterwards. She's going ahead, she's sanding it with blocks, trying to flatten it out. We've been through this truck so many times. We flattened it out, we've changed it so many times. Couple issues have come on. We have had to scrap everything on the previous video. We had to reapply it. At some points we were wanting to quit, but here we are again. We're not giving up. We're trying to get everything to perfection. Molding this thing was crazy. Again, we've gone through it so many times. We use drywall. If you didn't see that on the previous video, if you guys don't know, this is a 2001 Duramax that we went ahead and started a conversion kit. We want it to look exactly like a 2025, but we're trying to keep all the body lines and make everything line up perfectly, so that if you guys want to customize your truck using our kit, we want everything be already perfect, so you guys don't have to mess around with the actual body, other than maybe just wrap it and then paint it as you want, you know. So watch the rest of this video, let us know if you have any other comments, and let's see how Crazy gets down with all the sanding.
Alright guys, I'm officially a professional at sanding, man. Getting down hard. This is how I got my forearms. You know, not at the gym. But make sure you guys are staying tuned for the next episode, man. Cause, man, supervisor ends up getting on my ass and shit. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Let's go.